That was the first time I've ever broken out of a store.
And would you look around? No Spider-Man to put us behind bars. What the heck?
What the heck?
Oh, yep, again. Come on, guys, this is, what, the third time this month? You should really need to think about upping up your game. I mean, come on, at least give me some sort of a challenge. But then again, this does make my job a whole lot easier.
I can't believe it! A whole bag of money! Gone!
I can't believe we got taken down by that stinking wall crawler again.
Bail's been paid. I guess punks like you two can have friends.
Welcome, boys, to the big leagues.
The hell is this, Parker?
It's a picture of Spider-Man from this morning. He stopped a couple thugs that were robbing a bank. It was all over the news. Didn't you hear about it?
You need to get your facts straight, kid. This picture clearly shows the masked menace teaming up with those two crooks. I bet he met up with them later to split the take.
Split the take? Come on, Mr. Jameson, that's just absurd.
Look, Parker, haven't I told you 100 times? You take the pictures, and I make the headlines. I'll take your money.
Yes, Mr. Jameson.
Robbie, new headline. Masked menace robs bank. Hey, what about O'Hearn?
This is a solo job. Besides, the big man's had his eye on you.
Say, who even is this big man? Do I get to meet him?
No one meets the big man.
So, Doc, how exactly is this experiment supposed to go?
I won't lie, Marko, there are some concerns for you. After all, this procedure is, highly experimental, and no others had tried it out yet.
Come on now, Marko. Just relax. Doc, why don't you show him?
Well, the subject is, injected with billions of microscopic silicone granules, which would, in theory, create a form of subdermal silicone armor. If all goes according to plan, you should be able to shift your atoms to whatever you desire. And in addition, you should be totally impervious.
Impervious? Is that good?
Don't worry about it, Marko. Everything's gonna be fine, alright? Now where's Osborn?
I've just spoken to him on the phone, and he should be here any moment.
Gentlemen,
Mr. Osborn.
are we ready to proceed as scheduled? Dr. Octavius.
I believe we are, sir, but are you sure you want to proceed? After all, with this procedure, it hasn't been tested yet, and...
This is the test, Otto. Now press the button, if you know what's good for you.
Mr. Osborn, it's overloading. We need a port immediately.
Not yet.
But sir...
I said not yet, Octavius.
What have we done? What are we gonna do now?
We sweep up and try again. Please, Otto, don't look so distraught. That lowlife Marko was worthless. He didn't mean anything to us.
Hold on a minute, Mr. Osborn. What's going on in there?
Hammerhead! What have you done to me? Answer me!
Hey, Mr. Sandman, chill.
Okay, so I'm sitting with my two best friends, and they aren't saying anything back to me. Should I move?
Nah, don't be a dude.
Did I do something wrong or something?
You left the party when that Kraven guy attacked us, Pete. Harry's still pretty upset.
Left you? Wait, no,
Look, Peter, I get you're scared, and I don't hold any grudge against you, but Harry, he thinks of us as brothers, and you don't ditch your brothers.
See, Marko, you're back to normal now. Things aren't so bad.
Not so bad? Have you seen me?
Stuff happens. End result's the same. Besides, now you've got the power to get revenge on Spider-Man for all those times he put you behind bars.
Yeah, you're right. Wait, no. Revenge is for chumps. All I ever wanted was a big score. And now I got the power to get just that.
Now you listen here, you little nobody.
Hey! Flint Marko was a nobody. Everyone will know the name Sandman.
You look rather calm for someone who just lost my experiment. You think Fisk will be happy?
All the big man really needed was for the bug to be distracted while he carried out his operations. You think that boy won't make a good distraction? You haven't been paying attention, have you?
I never thought that me stopping Kraven would have affected my life as Peter Parker. I need to try and make it up to Harry as soon as I can. Well, what do we have here? Marko, again? Hey, where's your partner?
Don't think I need a partner anymore, webhead.
Oh man, what just happened?
Happened! I happened! Sandman happened!
No.
Well, it's been fun, wall crawler. But I gotta go. I know I kept promising that I get the money. But now I can. I will. And no freak in a mask is gonna stop me from saving my little girl.
That's it. As soon as school's out, I'm finding Marko and webbing him to a flagpole. But first I need to talk some things over. Hey, Harry. Can we talk?
Talk? Sure, Peter. Let's talk.
Okay, well, first...
What do you want to talk about, Peter? How you ditched us at my party? How you left us with a deranged Russian hunter? How you stabbed your friends in the back after they protected you for years? What exactly do you want to talk about, Peter?
Harry, look, I'm sorry, I just...
You know, this isn't even the first time you've ditched us. When the vulture attacked my dad at the Fisk opening, you ran away then too. I didn't realize it then, but now I do. Every time something happens, you run away. You don't ditch your friends, Peter.
Now this is the score I've been waiting for!
You know, we really have to stop meeting like this.
You know, for once I think you're right. Let's end this. Right here, right now!
You know, I gotta say, the hammer thing, it's getting old.
No, I wasn't planning on coming after you, but I need this money. And since you seem so persistent on being the stormy cloud over my sunny sandy beach, it's time to change the weather. Forever!
Where do all these guys come from?
All I ever wanted was that score. And Spider-Man just had to take it away from me.
Get used to it, pal.
Yes. Spider-Man has a tendency to get involved in matters where he has no concern. Do you want some payback?